Alright guys, so I got my meta glasses here. We're over at Michael's shop, and you can see we got the exhaust off. Got our JXB stuff. We're gonna end up doing our carrier bearing here. And I've done a bunch of these for customers on my back, but I feel like making a video standing up like this is gonna be the easiest. So we got the beautiful JXB stuff. Now I've had this in my garage for probably over a year, which is why the box looks rough. But this is gonna be the easiest way to show y'all how to install everything here. They sent me both the track and the street. We're gonna go with the track setup because, you know, we're already track oriented. We're just gonna get started. So got our handy dandy tool, and once you remove all your undershield and whatnot, you're gonna just cut this off on both sides. So now my meta glasses have the safety shields on them, so I am wearing safety glasses, guys. I'm being careful because that's your gas tank there, and that's just plastic, and you don't want to accidentally cut it. So make sure you really got a good hold of your tool. I can see it's loose now. Whew, that's gonna be hot. Thank you. Nice soft rubber. Oh yeah, I'm gonna definitely need that knife. All right. So look at that dude. He had everything ready for us. 13 mil. I wonder if he's got, because this is just sitting up here in place right now, because again we just did the trans, so I'm hoping the whole thing doesn't just fall on my face. I don't really trust that too much. I'm gonna find a bolt to put through that. Alright guys, you can see, so what I'm doing is I'm just like, this is rubber too, but what I'm doing is I'm just resting it on there, and I'm spinning this to try to make it all even, and you can keep a good tension on it. You can keep it nice and flat. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, but that's pretty good from right there. Now we're going to grab our, there it goes, found it. Yep, 6 mil, not a 5. Okay, so we're going to end up putting this together just like so. I guess there's a time limit on the meta glasses for recording, because she keeps stop recording, and I don't know if it's because I'm not talking. But learning curve on these glasses. So I'm just going to slide this all into place like so. And you can see you want it to line up like this, right? Don't do this, because then the bushing's going to be off, right? So make sure you got it facing the same way. And all this is going to do is go around your drive shaft here that you cut, just like so. Get that started by hand. Stay. Grab my other one. Switch it on. good from the back side. We've got all the clearance. Now what we're going to do is assemble our bushings. Alright guys, so you're going to do the big washer, then you're going to put the bushing on like so. Big washer, bushing, and then on the top side this thing goes bushing and washer, and bushing and washer. But we got to get it up in there first. Like this. Put it on there, and then bam. So we got one side on. Let's get the other side on. And y'all can see, like, I've done a couple of these on my back now. Not fun, but possible. But again, to be able to give y'all a better video, I felt like this was definitely the move. Alright. So, there we go. Still 13. I'm gonna lift up, and again, we're just gonna start by hand. A couple threads. That way I can let go of that side. Start this side. Might need a little bit of a longer extension, just to be able to start it by hand. After that one started. Alright. Now, let's zip it up there. Alright, I'll see if JXB has torque specs on those. Again, we're still going to make sure that these are tight too. But that's what it looks like, guys. Another beautiful product by JXB. Again, this was the best way I wanted to showcase it. Alright guys, so coming back up in here doing the fun stuff of putting this hunk of junk back up in here. Something like that. Yeah, there you go. What? I think it goes on top. I'm gonna push that into there. Let's see if I can take that out of there. Put that in there, and then stretch this one to fit onto that one. There it goes. Whew. Oh, maybe. Oh, you know, I bet that goes under, and then that goes over like that. Something like that, guys. Yeah, whatever works. As long as it goes back into its home. Yeah, that won't line up. Hell yeah. Alright. Look at these. Now these aren't the HSF logo on them because they were our OG first set. So just showing you that I am the alpha tester for my own products. I try all the stupid shit on my car before I start selling to people. Once we zip up the front, it'll pick up the back. Look at all these beautiful carbon tips. believe so, yeah. Any adjustments right here? Probably.
Walk off the ground. We can lower it down.
There it goes. Right there. Yeah.
Good?
Yep. Beautiful.
Not good?
Yeah. Good enough for me. I'll fix it later. Yeah.
Now's the time to do it.
I'll fix it later. Y'all see the HSF rear sway bar? This will be coming to market soon. We got regreasable. So we got the Zerk fitting, so you could grease these. Unlike the other brands, I believe AFE has these as well. But I wanted to put these on so people could re-grease them. Super beautiful, super clean. I don't even think Michael's seen it. Have you seen our HSF rear sway bar yet?
I saw it earlier.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Michael approved. Turn. Oh yeah. Hey. All right, guys, as always, hope the video helps. Y'all can see I'm still learning how to use my meta glasses. Find out there's only a 3-minute time span on those, so that kind of like shoots me in the foot immediately because I like to yap on the camera. But if you watch all the way through, you will see that we have a couple more HSF parts in the works that are coming very, very soon. So stay alert for those. The rear sway bar is the big one. So if you're back here, you know it's coming. We're gonna have all sorts of colors available with regreasable fittings, which I really love. And if you want to grab your very own JXB carry bearing, we do sell them on HoustonSpeedFreaks.com. We also sell their inserts and their transmount. All beautiful pieces by JXB, like top quality stuff. Can't beat it. Anyway, guys, love y'all. Appreciate y'all. And until the next one, later, guys.